Have you ever opened an architecture diagram during an incident, only to find it's from 6 months ago? Half the services shown might not exist, and new ones are missing. The deeper issue: no shared convention. One engineer draws a box labeled backend, meaning the entire API layer. Another means a single microservice. Looking at the same diagram, two people imagine different systems. That ambiguity breaks things when reality hits. But there's a solution. The C4 model provides 4 zoom levels with clear definitions, fixing this confusion and creating shared understanding. C4 delivers clarity through 4 zoom levels. Level 1: Context. Your system as a single box, interacting with users and external systems. No internal details. It answers what the system does and who uses it. Non-technical stakeholders get this. A new engineer should understand it in 2 minutes. Zoom into Level 2: Container. Open that box to show deployable units. Web applications, APIs, databases, message queues. This diagram reveals major technical pieces and communication paths. Useful for design reviews and onboarding. Grasp it in 10 minutes. Keep it under 15 boxes to avoid clutter. Level 3: Component. Inside a container, detail internal structure like authentication or business logic, for the owning team only. Level 4: Code. UML level detail. Generate from tools. Don't maintain manually. Use C4 for medium-sized systems. Think 5 to 50 services with multiple teams. Onboarding pays off fastest. A new engineer starts with the context diagram, zooms into container, then dives into component for their service. This broad to narrow progression builds a mental model quicker than hours of knowledge transfer. Design reviews sharpen with shared diagrams, moving debates from vague terms to concrete structures. During incidents, the container diagram shows the blast radius, which containers talk to a failing service and what's affected. But avoid C4 for very small systems. A single diagram suffices. And keep diagrams updated. Outdated C4 is worse than none. Tie updates to existing processes like quarterly planning or design reviews. The real value of C4 isn't just diagrams, it's the shared understanding they enable. By forcing your team to agree on what a box means and who each diagram is for, you create a common vocabulary. This stops architecture discussions from going in circles, speeds up design reviews, and reduces confusion during incidents. Diagrams are tools. The real win is clearer communication across teams. Adopt C4 incrementally. Focus on context and container first. If you can't draw a clean context diagram, your system boundaries aren't clear. That's an architectural problem hiding in plain sight. Start with those levels, tie updates to processes, and transform how your team works.